Hey everybody, how we doing today? I was doing some searching around the World Wide Web, and I was looking for some Jason Aldean stuff, and that's what this is about. This is Jason Aldean's moment. Um, he speaks as a true patriot, and I found this clip from his concert that was just a couple of days ago, and I want to play it for you because it's very important. The man speaks the truth. The man wrote a song about our everyday events that are going on around this country. And I cannot understand yet why it offended people. The only thing I could think about is it offended uh, uh, haters, just haters of America. That's the only thing I. But anyway, without further ado, jump. Let's jump into the video, and you guys just listen to what he says.
Everybody having fun so far tonight? Well, I gotta tell you guys, man, it's been a long ass week. It's been a long week, and I've seen a lot of stuff. I've seen a lot of stuff suggesting I'm this, suggesting I'm that. Hey, here's the thing. Here's one thing I feel like everybody's entitled to their opinion. You can think something all you want to, it doesn't mean it's true, right? So what I am is a proud American. I'm proud to be from here. I love our country. I want to see it restored to what it once was before all this bullshit started happening to us. I love my country, I love my family, and I will do anything to protect that. I can tell you that right now. Here's what I want to say. A lot of things out there, and one thing I love, you guys know how it is this day and age, cancel culture is a thing. That's something that if people don't like what you say, they try and make sure that they can cancel you, which means try and ruin your life, ruin everything. One thing I saw this week was a bunch of country music fans that could see through a lot of the bullshit, all right? I saw country music fans rally like I've never seen before, and it was pretty badass to watch, I gotta say. Thank you guys so much. So I have people asking me, man, everything's going on with this song. Do you think you're gonna play it tonight? Do you think you're not gonna play it? And I said, people that come to my shows, you guys know what I'm about. You know what I stand for. I've never shied away from that at all. And I know a lot of you guys grew up like I did. You kind of have the same values, the same principles that I have, which is we want to take our kids to a movie and not worry about some asshole coming in there shooting up the theater, right? So when somebody asks me, hey man, you think you're gonna play this song tonight? The answer was simple. The people have spoken, and you guys spoke very, very loudly this week.
Yeah. The answer is simple. Of course. I don't know what's wrong with this country. Back when I was growing up, we didn't have these issues of people being offended by what you said. It's a free country. We can say what we want. It doesn't matter. If it offends you, okay, we'll go. stick your head in the sand and don't worry about it. Don't worry about me. Just worry about you. And I cannot understand what is so offensive about this song. It's a song, all right? But it's a song about true events, stuff that went on and still goes on. It still happens today, and it's going to happen again tomorrow. It doesn't matter. But I just wanted to run this clip by you because he speaks from his heart, and he does care about his family, just like I do, and everyone else that is not a liberal or Democrat. All right, but anyway, I just wanted you folks to see this in case you haven't got a glimpse of it. But anyway, I appreciate you stopping in, and please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and it's free. So enjoy your day, and let me know what you think. Leave your messages down in the comments. I do appreciate it, and we'll catch you in the next video. You guys have a great day, and see ya.